What's up, guys? This is Rick, and I want to walk you through how I prepare myself for a day on the road when you're trying to stick to your diet. All right, so first things first, got to have your bag for working out. Next, plenty of water, obviously for the gym. This is next after I run out of that. We're gonna go watch a movie. We're gonna go watch Oppenheimer, which is 3 hours. So you know it's gonna be like 3.5 hours with trailers. So I got my meal that I'm gonna eat right before we go in. Then, so that's meal one. And then I gotta pack this. It's gonna be my pre-workout meal that I'm actually gonna eat in the movie right before we leave. So that way everything hits just as we're getting to the gym. Post-workout, and probably we're gonna hit up the mall. So after that, meal number 4, already packed and ready to go. And that should get me through to dinner, which should have no problem getting back home in that time. That's all I got. Later. Thank you, baby.